pictures and music, you can transfer this to the Bravia. So by just pressing yung lang natin, by pressing the throw function,
Okay.
then the content of this one will go to here. So even videos, music and so you can rin po. You can rewind.
So what wireless technology does it
Actually,
employ?
Wi-Fi direct, sir. So,
Wi-Fi direct?
Yes. Basically, yung mga other gadgets is DLNA based, right? But this one, yung Bravia kasi natin, it has a Wi-Fi direct. So, hindi na siya dadaan through DLNA or through local access. So, it work as direct